Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths class, chapter 9 matrices, the continued part, that is the multiplication problems. In question number 7, it is said that there are three matrices A, B and C, and it is asked to find A square plus AC minus 5B. So there are three terms which we need to calculate. First, let us discuss what procedure to be followed to find the solution of a square plus ac minus 5b. If you are very smart enough and if you can follow the steps togetherly, complete calculation like an equation, it can be done at a stretch. Or to avoid the mistakes, to get marks for step by step, let us proceed with 4 steps. This problem has to be solved in 4 steps. First step, calculate a square. That means matrix A should be again multiplied with matrix A. And in the second step, we need to calculate A into C. Matrix A should be multiplied with matrix C. In the third step, we need to calculate 5 into B. That is, 5 is a real number. Matrix B, all the elements of matrix B should be multiplied with 5. So, first 3 steps over. In the fourth step, we have to substitute A square plus AC minus 5B, and the calculation should be done by considering the corresponding elements. For the first and second step, A square and AC, we need to cross check whether the multiplication process can be possible. As all the given matrices are of square matrix of order 2 by 2, hence it is possible to proceed with all the multiplication process. Consider step 1, that is A square. Matrix A should be again multiplied with matrix A. How to multiply? First row, first column, first row, second column. Second row, first column, second row, second column. While substituting the values, please be very much careful with the sign, and while calculating also the first row, first column, consider only the first term, that is 2 into 2. Plus first row, first column, the second element 1 into 0. First row, first column. In the same way, first row, second column is 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2. Then second row, first column is 0 into 2 plus minus 2 into 0. Second row, second column is 0 into 1 plus of minus 2 into minus 2. Be very much careful with the sign. If you substitute at once properly, hence the solution will be very much proper. If you go wrong with substitution or a single plus or single minus in this step, the whole problem will be considered as the wrong one. The product and the sum will be equal to 4004. This is the solution for the first step, that what we have calculated as a square, a into a square. Mark it as result number 1. Let us move on to the step 2, that is A into C. Matrix A should be multiplied with matrix C. As they are of square matrix of 2 by 2, consider the same rule. First row, first column, first row, second column. Second row, first column, second row, second column. After multiplication and addition or subtraction according to the procedure, the solution will be minus 7, 8, 2, minus 8. Mark it as result number 3. In the third step, it is 5 into B. Matrix B should be multiplied with 5. Multiply all the elements, children. 5 4s are 20, first element. 5 1s are 5, second element. 5 into minus 3, minus 15, third element. 5 into minus 2, minus 10, fourth element. So, first 3 steps are over. A square we calculated, AC we calculated, and we calculated 5B. Let us move to the fourth step. Consider the equation A square plus AC minus 5B. Substitute the values of result number 1, 2 and 3. Here we can go with single step. Consider first A square first term 4 plus AC plus of minus 7 is minus 7. Minus 5b is minus 20. 4 minus 7 minus 20 will be equal to minus 23. Now let us move on to the second element. 0 plus 8 minus 5, it is 3. Third element, 0 plus 2 minus of minus 15, that is 17. Fourth element, 4 plus of minus 8 minus of minus 10, that is 4 minus 8 plus 10. The solution is 6. So the solution for the equation a square plus ac minus 5b is equal to minus 23, 3, 17 and 6. So if you solve all these steps properly, you will be awarded with either 3 or 4 marks in the examination. Matrices, simple chapter, easy with calculation, but the rules and the steps to be followed accordingly. Let us move on to the next question. That is question number 8. In question number 8, it is said that if m is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1 and I is a unit matrix of the same order as that of m, show that m square is equal to 2m plus 3i. Try to understand the question, children. Only one matrix m is given, which is of square matrix of order 2 by 2. And it is said that I is a unit matrix. Already we know what is a unit matrix. That is, elements, diagonal elements will be 1, other elements will be equal to 0. So here the matrix of the unit of matrix is, it is said that of the same order as that of m. So matrix m is of the order 2 by 2. Hence I, the unit matrix, should also be of the order 2 by 2. Consider the matrix I as 1, 0, 0, 1. In this problem also, we have to follow it in 3 steps. As it is a show that problem, what we need to show? We need to prove that m square is equal to 2m plus 3i. So in the first step, calculate m square. That means m into m. In the second step, calculate 2 into m. That is, elements of matrix m should be multiplied with a real number 2. And in the third step, 3 into I. That is, matrix I, all the elements of matrix I should be multiplied with real number 3. Hence, we have to calculate the sum of 2m plus 3i. So, mark that as result number 4. Result number 1 is m square. Result number 2 is 2m. Result number 3 is 3i. Result number 4 is 2m plus 3i. If result number 1 and result number 4 elements are same, hence we can say that we have proved that m square is equal to 2m plus 3i. Let us proceed, children. First step, it is m square. Matrix m is again multiplied with matrix m. As they are of the order 2 by 2, the rule followed is same, that is first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. Hence the solution will be 5, 4, 4, 5. Mark it as result number 1. In the second step, consider the product of 2 into m. Multiply all the elements of matrix m by 2. It results as 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Mark it as result number 2. In the third step, consider 3i. That is, I is a unit matrix. What we have defined, it should be multiplied with 3. Multiply all the elements. It results as 3, 0, 0, 3. First step, we calculated m square. Second step, we calculated 2m. In the third step, we calculated 3i. Let us calculate the sum of 2m plus 3i. 2m plus 3i results as, just add all the elements. Remember the condition, children. If we have to do the addition, then They should be of the same order. Of course, 2m is also of order 2 by 2. 3i is also of the order 2 by 2. Just add the corresponding elements. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. So, the sum of 2m plus 3i results as 5445. Mark it as result number 4. Now compare result number 1, that is m square, and result number 4, that is 2m plus 3i. Definitely they are same. Hence we can say that m square plus 2m is equal, m square is equal to 2m plus 3i. Hence it is proved. This is the solution for question number 7 and 8. Question number 9 I will take up in the next video. You just solve question number 10 in your classwork. Continued with question number 7 and 8 children. Solve question number 10 also in the same procedure. I will continue with question number 9 in my next session. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.